Hello everyone, it is your Sakshi ma'am this side and I welcome you all to my channel Shiksha Proficient Academy. Today in this video we will look at Standard 10's poem 2.4 The Pulley, which is written by George Herbert. George Herbert was one of the greatest poets of 17th century, one of the greatest devotional poets in the English language. He was best known for writing intentionally devotional verse using simple, direct speech. Let's recite this poem before beginning with the explanation part.
The Pulley by George Herbert. When God at first made man, having a glass of blessing standing by, let us, said he, pour on him all we can. Let the world's riches, which dispersed lie, contract into a span. So strength first made a way, then beauty flowed, then wisdom, honor, pleasure. When almost all was out, God made a stay, perceiving that, alone of all his treasure, rest in the bottom lay. For if I should, said he, bestow this jewel also on my creature, he would adore my gifts instead of me, and rest in nature, not the God of nature. So both should losers be. Yet let him keep the rest, but keep them with repining restlessness. Let him be rich and weary, that at least, if goodness lead him not, yet weariness may toss him to my breast.
So, dear students, we can see that it is a 20 lines poem divided into 4 stanzas consisting of 5 lines each. It follows the rhyme scheme A B A B A. The poem The Pulley is one of those poems that are deep in meaning. It is a comforting sort of poem. God is shown as a God who knows everything and how everything will turn out. In The Pulley, George Herbert creates a myth about God's creation of the world. According to the speaker in this poem, when God created man, he wanted to give his new creation all possible blessings. Here, man stands for man as well as woman. So, God wanted to give his new creation all possible blessings such as beauty, wisdom, honor, and pleasure. God gives these blessings to man by pouring them out of a glass of blessings. Now there is a glass of blessings out of which the God is pouring them. The only blessing that God leaves in the bottle is rest. The God does not give this blessing and keeps it in the bottle or the glass. The gift is so precious that God does not want to give it to man. He thinks if man would have it, he would worship nature and not the God of nature. God had full knowledge that his treasures would tire men and make him exhausted. He wanted men to find true rest only in him. He wants all of us to come to him, for he alone can truly give us the rest we so desperately seek. It is in his weariness means tiredness, then that man will realize his imperfections and his need for God and the spiritual life, and then he will reach for God's pulley and seek heaven. So here, pulley is acting as a symbol that God has something, a pulley, that will help him to grab the men back. So God here is using the pulley to hold them back, to hold men back to itself. If you enjoyed this explanation, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and mention about your views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.